Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device. Install a VPN-based ad blocker app, such as Blockada or AdGuard, and allow the permissions it requests. Once installed, open the app and enable its VPN or local proxy service so traffic can be filtered. Make sure to avoid sketchy APKs, use the official store or a trusted source. Backup settings if you want to revert. Once done, the app will start intercepting display ad domains and reduce in-app ad loads immediately. You now tune filtering. Open filter lists and enable the recommended block lists for ads, trackers, and malware to catch most display ads. Once enabled, add custom host entries to block stubborn ad domains and whitelist apps that malfunction after blocking. Next, switch the app to use DNS over HTTPS or a private DNS provider to stop ISP-level ad insertion. Make small tests after each change so you can detect issues quickly. This step reduces false positives, while you finish by rebooting the phone and checking several apps and websites to confirm display ads are blocked. If an app breaks, immediately whitelist it or disable only the related filter. Do not disable the entire blocker. Once done, clear the app cache or reinstall the affected app if issues persist. For persistent failures, check for VPN conflicts, battery optimization killing the blocker, or outdated lists. Update block lists weekly to keep pace with new ad domains, and make sure blocking remains effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.